Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that of all the other planets in the solar system combined, and slightly less than 1,000th the mass of the Sun. It is orbiting the Sun at a distance of 778 million kilometers with an orbital period of 11.86 years. Jupiter is the third brightest natural object in the Earth's night sky after the Moon and Venus. This was the first planet to form, and the inward migration of Jupiter during the primordial solar system impacted much of the formation history of the other planets. Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen followed by helium. Jupiter is surrounded by a faint planetary ring system and has a powerful magnetosphere, the second largest contiguous structure in the solar system. Jupiter forms a system of 95 known moons and probably many more, including the 4 large moons discovered by Galileo Galilei in 1610. The atmosphere of Jupiter extends to a depth of 3,000 kilometers below the cloud layers. A well-known feature of Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. Storm is located 22 degrees south of the equator. The Great Red Spot is approximately 41,000 kilometers across, and it can fit around 3 Earths inside it easily. Hear winds scream at 430 to 680 kilometers per hour. But what if Jupiter swallowed Earth? Will there be any effect on this gigantic gas giant? For instance, Jupiter's diameter is about 142,800 kilometers, and Earth is about only 12,742 kilometers. The gas giant Jupiter is so gigantic that it can fit 1,300 Earths in it. So, what if Earth hits Jupiter? As Earth will come close to Jupiter, it will start getting hotter. Jupiter's gravity and asteroids will end up any life on Earth, and it will look like asteroid apocalypse. As Earth will hit Jupiter, Earth will start burning up, and that would affect Jupiter too, as Jupiter will start losing its atmosphere, and when Earth will be fully engulfed by Jupiter, the Jupiter will start heating up rapidly. Jupiter will heat so much that it will look like a star, and it will be for millions of years until Jupiter's atmosphere settle down. After that, Jupiter will be normal again. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe. Universe Science.